Hello dear students, today we'll start exercise 22D, which is based on triangles. So before starting this exercise, let us see some of the formulas. So area of a triangle. So what is the formula for finding area of triangle? Half, that is 1 by 2 into base into height. So this is your base and this will be your height. Clear? So the formula becomes half base into height. Now when we are asked to find the base of a triangle, the formula becomes 2 into area divided by altitude or height. Altitude means height. You can use both terms, meaning is same. Okay, 2 into area divided by altitude or height. Similarly, to find the height, that is altitude, the formula is 2 into area divided by base. So it is very easy to learn this formula. Remember that in the numerator always it will be 2 into area, and when you are finding base of a triangle, in denominator it comes height, and when we are finding height, in denominator it comes base, but numerator remains same in both the formulas. Clear, students? Now let us see some questions. So let us do one question from exercise 22D given in page number 277. Question number 5. Find the base of the triangle whose area is 18 hectares and height is 60 decameter. Decameter is denoted by DAM, that is dam. Okay. So in this question we have to find the base of the triangle and whose area is given how much? 18 hectares and height is given in decameter, that is 60 decameter. So either we can convert height into hectares or area, that is which is given in hectares, into decameter, because if we calculate by hectares and decameter we will not get the answer. So either we have to convert hectares into decameters or this 60 decameter into hectares. So what I am doing in this question is I am converting 18 hectares into decameter. So area of the triangle is given how much? 18 hectares. So when we convert this 18 hectare into decameter square, so what we will do? We will multiply by 100. Clear? So 18 into 100 will be 1800 decameter square. So area is always in centimeter square, meter square. So similarly I have taken decameter square. So 1800 decameter square is your area of the triangle. And height is given in the question, that is 60 decameter. So as we all know, the formula to find the base of the triangle is 2 into area divided by height or altitude. So height is given in the question 60 decameter and area we got 1800 decameter square. So we'll put the values in the formula. So 2 into area is how much? 1800 divided by height was 60 decameter. So by cancelling we'll get 60 decameter. So the base is 60 decameter. I hope you have understood this question. So let us move on to the next question. So next question is question number 6. Find the altitude of the triangle if area is 25 ares and base is 20 meter. So in this question you have to find the altitude or height. Okay, find the altitude of the triangle. So area is given how much? 25 ares. Clear? 25 ares, but the base is given in 20 meter. So what we will do, we will convert ares, that is ares, into meter square. So altitude you have to find out. So area, so 1 ares equals to 100 meter square. You have to remember 1 ares equal to 100 meter square. So we will convert 25 ares into meter square. So simply we will multiply with 100. So when we multiply 25 into 100, we will get 2500 meter square. Clear? So this way we have converted 25 ares into meter square. So base is already given, that is 20 meter. Now we'll see the formula of height. So height or altitude equals to 2 into area divided by base. So 2 into area, how much we got? 2500 is 2500 meter square. So 2 into 2500 divided by base, that is 20 meter. So while cancelling we'll get 250 meter. So this way question number 6 is done. Now let us do another question, that is question number 8. In question number 8 you can see the base and height of a triangle are in the ratio of 2:3. Here base and height of the triangle is given in the ratio, that is 2:3, and its area is 48 centimeter square. find its base and height. So base and height we have to calculate, but in the question the base and height are given in ratios. So whenever any height, length, breadth is given in ratio, we'll take 2x, 3x. So let the base and height be 2x and 3x. So given area is 48 centimeter square. So we'll apply the formula and we'll find the value of x first. Then when we'll get the value of x, we can find the base and height. So the formula is half base into height equal to 48. So area is given in the question, that is 48. So 1 by 2 into 2x into 3x. Since we have taken base as 2x and height as 3x, we'll multiply them. So this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. So what we will get? X into 3x, how much? 3x square equals to 48. So x square equal to 48 by 3. So by cancelling, 3 16s are 48. So we got x square equal to 16. So when we're finding the x, we have to remove this square. When you are removing this square, we have to put one square root on the 16. So x equals to square root of 16. So we all know what is the square root of 16? 4 into 4 is 16. So if you do the LCM of 16, 4 4 are 16, 4 1s are 4. So this one pair, that is 4. So the square root of 16 is 4. So we got the value now. Value of x is 4. Now we'll put the values here and we'll get the value of base and height. So base we have taken 2x. So 2 into value of x, that is 4. That is 8 centimeter. And height 3x. So we'll put the value of x, 3 into 4, that is 12 centimeter. So this way we get base and height of the triangle which was given in the ratio 2:3. So this way we have completed question number 5, 6 and 8 from this exercise.